Back at IFA last year, Acer first showed off the Predator Triton 900, a huge 17-inch laptop with an articulating display on this crazy hinge they built. It's super impressive, but we couldn't actually get our hands on it back then. Now we can. We get to feel it, see what it looks like. Unfortunately, we can't turn it on quite yet, but still, you get a good sense of what this $4,000 laptop feels like in your hands. For all that money, you're getting an extremely powerful machine. It has Intel's latest generation Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of SSD storage in RAID form, and most importantly, NVIDIA's new 2080 graphics chip. For $3,999, you're going to get the 17-inch screen with a 4K display. It's got NVIDIA's G-Sync technology for smoothing out your gameplay. It also has Intel's latest generation Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of SSD storage. The thing is loaded. It also has NVIDIA's latest graphics chip in it, the 2080, which was just announced. We haven't seen it in action yet, but I think it's going to be enough to power this machine. When you open up the laptop, it feels pretty much like any other laptop, albeit a very big one. But the hinge lets you kind of move the display in some interesting ways. You can bring the screen closer to the keyboard if you want to really get that display immersive. You can also flip it down into a tablet mode, and you can also flip it all the way around and use it in entertainment mode. There's lots of other convertibles on the market that do similar tricks, but this is by far the largest that we've seen, and it's the only one that has a hinge like this. The Predator Triton 900 is going to launch in May. Like I said, it costs $3,999. That's a lot of money, and if that's too rich for your blood, Acer's also making a Triton 500. It's a more traditional 15-inch gaming laptop that has a lot of the same hardware you can find in its more expensive version.